Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we are making one of the simplest meals that you can ever make. You just throw this quickly in the pan and you're ready to go. So these are the vegetables that I'll be using. I have some carrots, red pepper, green pepper, and some onions. You can get any vegetable of your choice, slice it to preferred shapes. This is what I went for, and trust me, this sauce will be ready in less than 10 minutes. Now these are my other ingredients. I have some eggs, some mackerel, powdered pepper, some salt, and Maggi cubes, some curry to taste. We are going to combine all of these ingredients in a pan, and trust me, it is so easy. You come back from work, you want to put something together, you do not want to buy fast food, you can try this, and this goes perfectly with rice, with yam, with banku even. Trust me, it goes perfectly well with everything. So what we are going to do is that we're going to saute our vegetables for just like 2 minutes, because we do not want to lose the ingredients or the freshness of the vegetable. So saute each vegetable as you put in the pan for 2 minutes. So this dish is a simple dish. It does not require any recipe. It's easy. You just throw in your vegetables and you're good to go. So for my men and my women out there who loves to cook but do not want to stay in the kitchen for long, this is for you. Also, I feel like this video is self-explanatory, so I'm gonna stop the yapping and leave you guys to enjoy. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a like and leave a comment for me in the comment section. Thank you.